We live through many crises. Many times the world was on the verge of destruction, of world wars and global threats. Is world peace actually possible? And how to achieve global peace? Well, it's not easy and takes time. But here I will explain to you, in a very short video, the revelation from the universe about global peace. Revelation within the Urantia Book on how to achieve a global peace. Yes, global peace is possible. This book reveals about the first source and center of this cosmos. The Urantia Book refers to the first source as the Universal Father, a loving, compassionate, and peaceful Father. And all humans who believe in this loving God are called His children. This means that you and I are all brothers and sisters in one planetary and cosmic family of beings, regardless of your religions or ethnicities. The Universal Father shows no favoritism. All are His children. No racism in the universe. There is no such thing as a chosen people or nation. To prove this equality, God has sent a spark of His Spirit to dwell in each human being, including you and me. A fragment of Spirit from the Father is dwelling inside you and inside all people in this world. Because this Spirit came from the same source, humans can actually be united spiritually, or what is called spiritual unity. God also sent messengers from the universe to demonstrate His love in the form of an ordinary human being. Maybe you know Jesus Christ. His main teaching is fatherhood of God and brotherhood of man, which He proved and demonstrated in His life. The Urantia Book even contains His most detailed biography, 700 pages of Jesus' history and teachings. Love is the essence of peace. If we want peace, love others. The Universal Father has loved us, so we must love others. Try to understand others. Understand why they act as they do, and then we will be able to love them. They are not our enemies. They are our brothers and sisters. Love is key to global peace and key to heaven. The next truth is a global solution for our planet. The Urantia Book also recommends that humanity establish a planetary government, a representative democracy, in which small nations also have voting rights. Representative democracy will prevent the domination of large nations, or to prevent dictatorial leaders. That planetary government must control the world's military, preventing countries from going to war with each other. If a bloc of large nations goes to war with another bloc of nations, it could lead to world war. We cannot afford another world war. That is why democratic planetary government can prevent world war. This is the message of the Urantia Book, a book from the universe, revealed to our planet in the last century. You can download the Urantia Book for free from urantia.org. You can learn a lot of truths in this book about the cosmos, universe, history of Earth and mankind, civilizations, religions, spirituality, journey after death, and many more. This is systematic revelation from the universe. Please subscribe, like and share this channel, because I will provide interesting contents from the Urantia Book, new updates that will change the world toward the amazing future of planet Earth in the light and life era. This planet is chief of 10 million inhabited worlds, where in the future will manifest heaven on earth. Today we see many wars, but ultimately peace will prevail. And before we close this short video, please support this channel, so we can continue to create new videos in this channel, and we can better serve our community of readers. Visit the link in the description to donate. Let's contribute to world peace and prosperity. Thank you.